Life below ground is biding its time. The world's most northerly turtle. The painted turtle, seen here in a special filming chamber. They hatched last autumn, but have remained in a state of suspended animation ever since. Their hearts have stopped beating. And only their brains have remained active, and even then only very faintly. Painted turtles wait underground for this most important of moments. The arrival of spring. In April, the strengthening sunshine triggers a miraculous transformation. The turtle's body temperature rises just above freezing, and their hearts start to beat once more. Slowly they return to life. Thanks to this extraordinary adaptation, these young turtles get a valuable head start in spring, and are one of the first to emerge, ready to take full advantage of the forest's renewed abundance.